Okay, today we are out here in Surrey due to trenchless water main. So this house is relatively very new. However, the water main failed. We knew that because the client got a very high water bill. So we opened up this pit. The reason why we had to go a little bit more this way than normal is because the pipe shot out and curved this way. So what we had to do is we had to get to the straighter section. When we got to the straighter section, the pipe went across the yard like that, dove down 12 feet and straight underneath the home. In the home, in the lower floor, the pipe came through in the mechanical room. It had a beautiful sleeve already, so we were able to pull the old pipe out without having to jackhammer any concrete. We pulled the 1-inch PEX line out and we've put in a 1-inch Wurzbo line. So as you can see, we've got we've taken the grass. I don't know if you can see that. We've cut the grass out so we can put the grass back in the hole as soon as we're done. There we are there. This job here, if you look at all this landscaping, so imagine having to dig through here. We would have destroyed that the concrete curbing. We would have gone right through all this shrubbery. Now this house is for sale, so you know this client did not want a mess. So once we got into the house there, to reroute it, we'd have to drill through the wall, open up the drywall in the there's a bedroom below here. We would have to go up the wall, over, and down the hallway. So imagine all the drywall repairs. Think of all the money that this client has saved by installing a trenchless water line. Once we're all done, I should take another video here for you when we're all done. Other than that, we're in and out.